Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a super simple vanilla JavaScript expanding cards. So let's get started. Here I have already created a folder for the images course and three files index.html, script.js and style.css. First I'm going to mark up the text. So let's use image and link the style sheet. Sorry, style.css. And also I'm going to grab fonts from the Google fonts. I'm using Nunito font here. You can use any font you want. So let's copy the link and paste it here. And give it a title. I'm giving vanilla base next vanilla cards. First I'm going to add a section tag with a class called banner. In this section tag we will create a div with a class of banner. So div banner and add an additional class active. We're going to give a background image right here with style background image URL food first image. We'll also give title for the image with h3 tag color. Let's copy it and paste it right here and remove this active class. I'm also going to change the image here and give it a name. I'm going to copy this and paste it couple of times. 3, 4, 5. Change the background image and give it a name of pasta. Change this image also. And give it a name of sandwich. Also the last image. And give it a name of burger. Let's save it and see how it is looking. Okay, I think I have made a mistake here. Oh, let's view it with live server. Load it. If you don't have live server extension installed, you can install it from here. Search it live server. Here, this one. Sorry, not this one. Sorry, this one. You can just install it from here, like hit the install button and it will automatically install. Okay, then let's style the HTML text. First I'm going to remove all the classes default styles, margin to 0, padding 0, box sizing, border. Then I'm going to style the body tag with body. I'm going to define the font family. And default font Sans serif. give it a text transform of capital I. I'm going to use display flex to center all the elements. So display flex justify content to center, align item to center. Also give a height of 100 view height and overflow to hidden. Let's see how it is looking. Okay. Then we're going to style this container class. We're going to use display flex here also. So flex and the width of 50%. Next, we are going to style this panel class. Panel. We're going to give background size of cover for the images and background position center, background repeat to no repeat. The height of 50 view height and border radius of 10 feet. Let's add a color for the font here, color 1, and give it a flex of 0.5 and margin 10 pixel for the spacing. Okay, and I'll make the cursor pointer. Let's style the h3 tag. So dot panel h3. Give it a font size of 40 pixel, position or absolute, so we can position it wherever we want for them. So let's give the parent class position of relative. So position absolute, bottom of 20 pixel and left 20 pixel. We're going to remove the margin as well, margin 0, and hide it from the view. So opacity 0. We're going to bring it back using JavaScript and the active class. Yes, it is gone. Okay, now let's style the active class. So dot panel dot active. Dot active. First, we're going to give a flex of 5 so that we can expand the class, and then we're going to use same panel.active with the h3 tag to reveal the title. Opacity 1 and give a transition of opacity 0.3 second is in and 0.4 second left. Save it, and the active class was added in the first element, that's why expanding and not the rest of the one. Okay, now we are going to add JavaScript. So let's add the script tag at the bottom. Script source script.js. Firstly, we're going to create a variable for this all panel class. Panel. We're going to use document dot query simulator all to grab all the variables and dot panel and give it panel dot for each method and p dot add event listener for the click event. Click event and give it arrow function to keep the functionality, and just add the active class p dot class list to access all the class and add active and create a new function below the for each method to remove the active class. So function remove, and here also panel dot for each method just give it a p dot class list dot remove active class and add the remove function here. Save it. Save it and let's have a look. Yes, it is working, but it is not looking too good because there is no transition added. So let's keep the transition here. Transition with all 0.5 seconds. Save it and let's see. Yes, now it is looking very good, as you can see, and the title is also appearing. So hope you guys enjoy it, and please like this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for more content development videos, and thank you very much for watching.